If you want to promote the next top offer on ClickBank before it's saturated, you want to check it out right now. We've got the top 5 trending products on ClickBank coming at you for May. Let's dive in. Sweet. So, Michael, thanks for collecting these here and for joining me on the call again. I want to just clarify a few things before we get into the meat of it, though, and highlight these top offers, or top trending offers.
Trending offers.
So trending offer is, in your words?
A trending offer is one that is under the radar. It's starting to gain a lot of popularity. It is doing really well in the numbers. And
so I was going to, why should someone promote a trending offer if there's top offers?
It's first mover's advantage. You're the first one in there, so there's not as many people promoting it. You don't have as much competition on different traffic sources, so it may be the first time these people are seeing it in an email or on social. So you get to have that advantage of it being new to a
I like it. It's like
customer.
buying GameStop at $30 a share, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then what is
like Dogecoin?
Yeah. What are vendors paying us to be on this? We got that question in the last video quite a bit.
No, or else they got my Venmo wrong. They are not paying us at all on this. These are ones that at this time they are trending. So at the time of filming, it is trending. I know some people were like, "Well, I couldn't find one."
Like in the marketplace?
Yeah, in the marketplace or something. Unfortunately, we can't control what the vendor owner decides to do with a product in between time of filming and when this happens. But at this moment, these are the ones we're looking at and saying, yeah, I would be, for my own clients out there, I would be telling them, hey, this needs to be on your radar. You should go after this one or this one. That's what the whole purpose of this is.
I love it. Thank you for that. Hopefully that clarifies it for some of the watchers out there and new affiliates coming on. So let's just dive into it, man. You want to kick it off with numero 5?
Yeah, Cinco, 5 in the English. So at number 5, we got Primal Flow. So they are billing it as the upcoming top prostate supplement of 2021. So Primal Flow has a VSL right at the get-go. It is, and you'll even get this nice, if you're trying to leave this pop-up that says, wait, discover the Primal Flow secret. The affiliate tools page, and we're going to get a good look at what the supplement looks like. It says PX7. Good looking bottle, by the way. It's this black, clean. Yeah, very, very good and tailored at men. You're going to see it is coming out at a really good AOV. So on their page, they're saying it's at $131.95. What I'm seeing it at is pretty darn near close to that. So I am seeing right now an AOV of actually even higher at $183.13 right now. So I'm guessing they're seeing that at that possible AOV when it is at scale, when it's running more. Now, what I'm seeing at that 183 is just what affiliate traffic is doing. So if they're pushing it themselves or there's any other traffic or anything that's not set, yeah, it's going to come down a little bit. EPC, 99 cents. Initial EPC, 80 cents. And the conversion rate is rocking where I would expect a supplement offer to be at, which is about that 1%, 1 to 1.5%. So it's excellent. It needs to be on people's radar, and it is. I think it's going to be a strong offer moving forward.
Awesome, thanks, man. Love that. I'm getting to another one. I haven't seen this one come across before. I'm excited to see this one. This is Derma Prime. If you're not familiar with skincare terms, the dermis is one of the. It's a layer of skin. I think it's the first one.
Right.
But what we've got going here is a skin supplement, right? It's going to help your skin stay looking youthful and young, kind of maintaining that natural glow. It's what I take every morning. No, it's what I probably should take every morning. That's what
I think you have a youthful glow. Yeah, I think you do have a glow.
Yeah, I'm actually 50. Yeah, so it's working pretty well.
Oh, nice. I just thought you were expecting.
So it's a 136 again. We kind of see this is from a proven offer creator. Ones that you'll know them if you get signed up with their affiliate team, and yeah, just a solid offer again from them. It's backing up pretty well in testing. We're seeing things come in at the $190 AOV level. That's high. EPCs are down in the kind of 60 cent range. So I expect that will kind of start kicking up as they test some more and get things rocking and rolling there. But gosh, all signs point to yes for this one kind of taking off as things get going. So I'd get yeah, if you want to chat with their affiliate managers, again, check out the link in the description below to see their affiliate contact information and kind of where we're featuring that information.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a really good offer. And as you said, the people behind it, they've put out some really good and strong offers. Next one that we got at number 3 is Grandma's Subtle Secrets. And I don't think she's being really subtle in the VSL, but she is being very forward. But as you can see, so I have the text version up right now. They do have a VSL, which is going to be the first one that you see. And Graham, it's different now. It's not like when you were young. So this is an offer tailored towards women of just getting him to want you and to chase after you. It is it is a dating offer, and what we're seeing from it is just some great numbers here. So we're seeing an AOV about $45, conversion rates about 5%. So if you got those dating lists, it is going to do really great on that. And we're seeing.
I was going to say too. It's kind of geared. Also, to me, this one kind of blends well into just like general relationship too. Mm-hmm. It's just kind of marriage, so it can do well with a very wide
audience.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah. It isn't like it's not
the 20-something
in the bed offer.
Right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. It is very very wide net that they're casting here. There's not a lot of people who are promoting this right now, so this is definitely some blue ocean to jump in. It is seeing EPC of $2.51 and then initial EPC of $1.59. Now, that does not mean, however, if you are running social or something, you need to jump in with both feet. Definitely test. I would say most of our dating offers that we do see do really well list traffic, organic, sometimes not so well on the social end or the paid traffic side. So just be aware of that. I would love to see one that breaks through and breaks into that, but as of right now, I'd say most of them still are very strong on the list side. Affiliate tools page, you'll see right here, you just got to enter in your name, your email, and your ClickBank ID, and they're going to be able to reach out to you and start working with you. So it's definitely one that you want to have on your radar.
I know the owner of this one too just had a baby girl yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Congrats.
Yeah, so named Penelope, which I'm
felicidades.
Yeah. I was just going to say too, I think a reason why you see more emails is it's easier to test on email, right? Mm-hmm. A lot of people test on email, you get email affiliates rolling, so it's easier to test that way. Doesn't mean it's bad on social necessarily. No. It just means that's where they're getting their first traffic from affiliates. So
for sure.
Yeah. This next one, gosh, I love this one. It's a friend of mine. This is LumaSlim, and this is a great offer. I'll bring it up. Oh, losing my tabs. There they go. Here we go. LumaSlim, great VSL offer. This guy does an enormous amount of testing through hooks, through new VSLs. He shoots all his own video. Then he's just great.
Solid.
Good supplement offer. Really good team behind it on the affiliate management piece. It's kind of a weight loss slimming offer, as you might guess. And he's got a rap video for his affiliates. Well, can we cut in here?
Drop the track.
Now make some big bank money in your gas tank. Stop what you're promoting now, cause LumaSlim's on ClickBank. Weight loss, big money, summertime, summer honeys. Everybody wanna look good fast, don't they, Waddy? Let me break it down quick and you're gonna get 65 on the front end and a real thick payout on the back end. Just like that. LumaSlim's your best friend. Wanna make some big bank money in your gas tank. Stop what you're promoting now, cause LumaSlim's on ClickBank.
LumaSlim on ClickBank.
Yo.
Put some money in your gas tank. I love it.
Yeah. It's good stuff. It's good stuff.
You got to go check it out. 65%, 55% on the upsells for commission. It's well designed, and they've got a host of other offers too behind it. So if you get signed up for this one, you can check with their affiliate team and see which other offers they have that might line up with your traffic source. If this isn't a perfect fit, they might have a better fit, but this is a good one too. We're seeing, here, AOVs in $180 range, which is bonkers. APC $1.77. All kinds of good stuff coming through here. So yeah, again, it's a worth getting on it. Go check out that rap video again. Put it on repeat.
Yeah. Get that to number 1 on iTunes and Spotify. Just push it up. So at number 1, we got Vista Clear. Vista Clear, it is for your eyes. Yes. Actually, I heard about this one from before it even started to see on my charts. The people who were running this were reaching out to different affiliates and they're like, have you heard about this? I'm like, I haven't at all. And it has risen on my sleeper charts over the past trending charts for the past 10 days, and it is our #1 trending offer. So as you can see right here, it is a supplement offer, dietary supplement offer that is for to help every aspect of normal eye health. So and they have different ways that it's helping you through here on the VSL, and you even get a nice little digital product as well. You get a detox miracle guide. That's going to help you out there. Now, on the affiliate tools page, you'll see here that we have they have their commission structure set out. They have $2 plus EPCs, $180 that they're saying on the AOV, and 65% default commission. And they even say they will increase it if you are willing to send them higher volume. So they're willing to work with you, letting you know up front right out of the get-go. See, this is what a tools page can do. You can let them know so they don't just leave and they're like, it's not going to be enough commission. So now what are we seeing with the numbers? So numbers, AOV, they ain't lying. AOV I've seen for the last 30 days at $208. Initial AOV is at $217. EPC $1.50. Initial EPC is $1.47. Right now there's I would say there's not too many people who are promoting it right now. There needs to be way more people promoting it because it has a great conversion rate at about 1.4% at that AOV. That's just great. And if they're willing to work with you at a higher commission rate and you're sending more traffic, hey, that's going to be a good match for a lot of our media buyers out there.
Yeah, I can't imagine, we'll see the affiliate numbers stay as low as they are, and all these offers are just, not even without this video going out public, right? I think, the data speaks for itself on these, so they're going to see them trending up. So yeah, get on it if you're.
Yeah, get going.
And again, click through to that description below to get all the details you need about these offers. Go check it out. You can kind of bookmark that page. We update it on every one of these videos. Hit that bell notification so you see these trending videos come out, the top offer videos come out, then Monday and Thursday throughout the week with other featured content that we put out. And yeah, thanks for coming by, Michael. Thanks for pulling these lists again.
You're welcome.
And happy scaling, everybody.
Scale.